represent seven individuals who were hurt in the Amtrak case, and there are some that are still struggling, still receiving medical treatment. Several of them are going to have some permanent or long-lasting problems, and then we've got just a few that'll make a full recovery. So, in all, I would have to say most of them are still trying to get through this tragedy.
And just give us an idea. These are not minor bumps and bruises. People, like you say, have some very serious injuries.
Yeah, so I represent a lot of people injured in car accidents, and I've been doing this for over 25 years. And it's not your typical car accident case. We're talking about a train car that was derailed and then rolled several times, and the individuals in the car, of course, were not belted. And so you can imagine at high speeds, when that rail car goes off and rolls, people are hitting the roof and the safety bars and the handles and so forth. And so, yeah, the injuries are much more serious and long lasting.
I think about the time that I was hurt in a car accident several years ago and what a frustrating endeavor that was going through the legal process. How does it compare to that? Is somebody, when you deal with an auto accident, compared to the layers of bureaucracy you must have to go through representing people who are involved in a train accident?
Yeah, so you're exactly right on that. There are more layers of bureaucracy and investigatory agencies that are involved, primarily the National Traffic Safety Board, and they're taking their time in concluding their investigation. And we're still a year out now, and it hasn't been concluded. So that fact alone is much different than your typical car accident case, where investigation is cleared up in a matter of days. And so the impact on our clients, the victims in general, say is that um, they want some closure. They know the NTSB has to do their job, but the level of bureaucracy, the delays, and the amount of investigation that's required has prolonged the incident for them in many ways.
And just help me understand how they must be doing, not only physically but mentally. This just has to be quite a toll on them.
Absolutely, the emotional toll is significant. I don't think any of our clients will get back on a train, at least not anytime soon. But the emotional toll is much more significant compared to your typical car accident case, because given the collision dynamics and what they went through, I mean, all of them talk about seeing their life pass before their eyes, and all of them basically thought that they were going to die. And so most car accident cases do not involve that element, and so emotionally it's much more traumatic.
That's all I need.